now to get in some Chartbusters ideas, and we have Kunal and Nuresh joining us back for this segment. Kunal, coming to you first. What's looking good for the charts for today?
So it's SBI Card which has started to look attractive on the charts, and especially with the point that the stock is confirming a breakout or very close towards a breakout of a bullish pennant kind of a formation on the short-term chart. So this has been the resistance line for SBI Card, where the stock has been facing resistance. It looks like that the stock is now trying to come out of this resistance band, which supports for the stock being consistent on a multi-month basis, when the stock was moving up higher. So the recent swing low, which is closer to 840, could be considered as a decent short-term support for SBI Cards. And with this breakout, we could be looking at a potential target of at least 880 to 900 for the stock with the very short term.
Okay, SBI Card looking good on the charts for Kunal. Nuresh, coming to you, what's your Chartbuster idea for the day?
So that's a chart for Nykaa. The stock has held on to that 155, 160 mark for the last 4 months, even when the market's corrected and most small caps took a hit. It's gotten into a tighter range. Over the last few sessions, the range has been 164 to 170, 172 levels. So setting up for a breakout move eventually above 175. Once that happens, that could be a major trend change. Could take it towards 200, 220 or even higher going forward. So a risk reward trade here with a stop loss at 160 and a target price of 220.
Looking good on the charts for Nuresh, and Nuresh is quite bullish on Nykaa because that was his closing trade yesterday as well. So Nykaa is also another stock that's looking good. But Kunal, coming back to you once again, other than SBI Card on the charts, what are some stock-specific recommendations that you would make at this point?
So focusing on mid-cap names and non-FNO stocks, first one is by JM Financial. Excellent momentum for the stock. Would look out for further targets on the upside, closer to 105. Stop loss to be kept at 92 for a fresh trade. Greaves Cotton is the other stock which is also showing a strong bounce back, almost from its 200 moving average. So would look out for targets in the range of 240, stop loss at 220.
JM Financial stock holding up pretty well today. There's some news flow on that front as well. JM Financial and Greaves Cotton for Kunal. And Nuresh, what about you? Some stock-specific ideas that you're liking right now?
First is a buy on IEX. The stock has given a good short-term reversal signal. Stop loss at 165, target price of 185. Second is a buy on Repco Home Finance. NBFCs are seeing a good recovery. This could also see a move towards 380, 400. Stop loss at 335.
Okay.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.